Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexwebs.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 12th of September 2019. So first of all guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the forex trading updates from my side. Okay guys, first of all, if we talk about the last 2 days, the market movers were in action. The day before yesterday was a very losing day because the signals does not went into our side. But the yesterday was a bit satisfied, but I have already sent the caution to my subscribers that we have a market movers role, and today we have seen that the market movers have played their role in the market. For example, let's say if we talk about Euro USD, you can see sudden down, sudden up. So I was expecting such thing. That is why I have preferred scalping today. And now let's talk about analysis from Euro USD. So I have supplied the bullish signal on Euro USD from 110204 and 110535 was the bullish entry. Okay, so right from here our signal was triggered, and in the third hour the market hit the target price with no problem. After that suddenly it went down. But if you have traded the signal at that part, then it was already satisfied. Our signal was already expired on that time. Later on the market again take a U-turn, and again it retested that level. So there was 2 times a chance to make a profit on Euro USD today. But however, our signal was expired with no problems. So if you have done scalping on Euro USD, then you must have ended up with good profits. Okay, now let's talk about Euro JPY. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So Euro JPY with a bearish expectation from 118814 and 118169 was the target price. So guys, you can see a drop on Euro JPY here. We have taken the full signal here. Even the market went beyond the barriers of the target price, and after that it had again get the boost here. So that's what we called a market mover moves, and that's what I was updating in my signals note from the last 2 days, that to be very careful with trading, because trading is not going to be easy in these days. Okay, so similarly we have done scalping on USD CHF, because whenever you see that the market movers are in action, so be careful, do not take long positions. So similarly, if you talk about USD CHF, I have given the bullish signal from 099290. It does not hit the target price, but it does went up, and it has went up to 099459. So it was a good, you can see that it was a good chance to take a profit on the 1 hour candle. So if you have traded 2 hours here, then you must have taken the profits also on USD CHF. But later on you can see again the market movers went into action, and they have breaks the price down. So be careful with this. Okay, at next we are going to talk about USD JPY. Okay guys, similarly like I am talking about the scalping, because whenever the market movers are in action, so prefer scalping instead of going into long trades. So 107876 was the bearish entry, and 107295 is the target price. However, the target price is not met, so we have done with the scalping here on USD JPY, and the market went down up to 107526. So it was a reasonable chance to take a profit. If you have taken a standard lot size, then the profit was also decent. So you can see that this is also profit at my end. At next we are going to talk about AUD JPY. Okay, the same thing that happened with the other pairs, it also happened on AUD JPY with the bearish expectation from 74232 and 73703 was the target price. We have not waited till the target price. We have went outside of the trade before that. So once you have caught the reasonable profit at your end during such days, then you need to exit from your trade like I did today. AUD JPY was a sell position, but it was already exited and from the trade. So the market basically went down up to 73876. So now this is a 4 hours gap on AUD JPY, and that's a quite satisfied gap. And if you have taken the profit on this one, then I must congratulate you on this pair. At next we are going to talk about the USD Canadian dollar. It was an easy signal from my side. USD Canadian dollar with a bullish trend from 131903 and 132179 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry the market started to go up, and then it hit the target price, and our signal was expired. Later on again you can see the market went into the drop due to the market movers movement. At next we are going to talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. So guys, I have taken a bit early trade on this pair, but I am going to update you that I am quite bullish on Great Britain Pound JPY it has already taken it has now taken the U-turn, and now it's breaking the entry. But if you want to trade this one, so my expectation is bullish on Great Britain pound JPY from 1 tetra 34 and 134792 is the target price. If you look at the daily candle, then you can see the daily candle is pumping bullish, so we have a lot of chances that the price can go further up. So overall, I'm bullish on Great Britain pound JPY. At next and at last, I'm going to talk about AUD USD. So AUD USD, so guys, I have given the bearish signal in case of AUD USD. 068784 was the entry from my side, and guys, you can see the market clearly breaks the entry right from here, and it went down up to 068620. So it was a satisfied signal. So you can say that was a good signal because 80% of the signal already hit, and after that you can see a long pump of the candle and nothing works here. Again, it was back into our entry zone. So that's what we called a market movers move. So whenever you see such type of volatility in the market, so guys, I am advising you to do scalping. Moreover, there was a losing trade on Great Britain pound USD. You know that we do not talk about the losing trades in our analysis, because the main purpose of the analysis is to give the analysis to the traders, that how they are going to trade the signals and how they are going to what could be the future outcomes of the signals report. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. You can see there are two red boundaries on the chart, the top red boundary and the lower red boundary. So guys, whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it starts gaining the momentum, like for example, if you look from here, the market starts to go up after touching the red point and after it moved up. And in this scenario, you can take the buy position. If you see any candle closes above the middle dotted line, then you can get a further chance into the bullish trend. Look, the candle has further moved up. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and it's losing the momentum, then you can sell the pair, and moreover the price action monitor is there to help you, but this is a sportive indicator. Moreover, we take a lot of chances on the basis of this red boundary indicator and the arrows indicator. These are quite helpful. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare this signal report. This signal report is based on a trick that I teach for $700. I take the client onto my Skype and we prepare the signals together, and for 3 days that will be the coaching to you, and I prepare these signals before the London session. So I sell this trick for $700. After this trick, you will be able to create your own signals, and if you want to sell your signals, then you will be able to sell those signals to other people also. So guys, this is all about my services. So if you are looking to get any of the service, for all this you need to contact me on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.